Do you ever find yourself feeling overwhelmed by the constant stream of distractions vying for your attention? Whether it's the ping of a new notification on your phone, or the temptation to indulge in mindless scrolling through social media, the modern world is filled with countless sources of instant gratification. But what if I told you that you could break free from this cycle and regain control over your life? Enter the Dopamine Detox, a step-by-step process designed to help you rewire your brain, reclaim your focus, and rediscover the joys of living intentionally. Number 1. Understanding. Dopamine and its effects. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter often referred to as the feel-good chemical in the brain. It plays a crucial role in motivating behavior and reinforcing pleasurable experiences. However, excessive stimulation of dopamine receptors, whether through activities like binge-watching TV shows or indulging in sugary treats, can lead to addictive behaviors and a decreased ability to experience pleasure from natural rewards. Number 2. Acknowledging the need for change. The initial stride in commencing a dopamine detox expedition involves recognizing the imperative need for transformation. It beckons you to pause and deeply contemplate the repercussions of your existing habits and behaviors on your holistic well-being. Do you find yourself incessantly gravitating towards distractions as a means of evading, confronting uncomfortable emotions, or shirking responsibilities? Confronting these ingrained patterns of behavior serves as the fundamental cornerstone towards reclaiming autonomy and mastery over the trajectory of your life. By acknowledging these patterns with clarity and candor, you pave the path towards initiating meaningful change and ushering in a newfound sense of empowerment and self-determination. Number 3. Setting clear goals. Before embarking on your detox journey, it's crucial to take the time to set clear, comprehensive, and achievable goals that align with your aspirations and desires. Ask yourself, what specific outcomes do you envision achieving through this transformative process? Whether your objectives entail enhancing focus, boosting productivity, fostering healthier habits, or liberating yourself from addictive behaviors, articulating these goals serves as a guiding light, offering both direction and motivation throughout your journey towards self-improvement and empowerment. Number 4. Creating a detox plan. Once you've identified your goals, it's time to create a personalized detox plan. Start by identifying the triggers and sources of excessive dopamine release in your life. This may include habits like constantly checking your phone, spending hours on social media, or indulging in unhealthy foods. Next, develop strategies to minimize exposure to these triggers, whether it's setting boundaries around screen time or decluttering your environment to remove temptations. Number 5. Practicing mindfulness and meditation. Cultivating mindfulness is a powerful tool in combating the incessant urge for instant gratification. Mindfulness involves bringing your attention to the present moment without judgment, allowing you to become more aware of your thoughts, emotions, and impulses. Incorporating meditation into your daily routine can further strengthen your ability to focus and resist distractions, ultimately leading to a greater sense of inner peace and clarity. Number 6. Engaging in purposeful activities. As you embark on your dopamine detox journey, focus on filling your time with activities that align with your values and goals. Seek out hobbies and interests that bring you joy and fulfillment without relying on external sources of validation or pleasure. Whether it's pursuing a passion project, spending quality time with loved ones, or immersing yourself in nature, prioritize activities that nourish your soul and contribute to your overall well-being. Number 7. Establishing healthy habits. Finally, prioritize your physical and mental health by establishing healthy habits that support your well-being. This includes prioritizing adequate sleep, engaging in regular exercise, and nourishing your body with nutritious foods. Creating a daily routine that incorporates these habits will not only boost your energy levels and mood, but also provide a solid foundation for sustainable lifestyle changes. Taking back control over your life is a journey that requires dedication, patience, and self-reflection. By implementing a dopamine detox and making intentional choices about how you spend your time and energy, you can break free from the cycle of instant gratification and cultivate a more meaningful and fulfilling life. If you found this guide helpful, Be sure to subscribe for more tips on personal growth and productivity. Remember, the power to change your life is in your hands. Take the first step today towards a happier, more focused future.